Be ready. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, while speaking on this matter, I cannot forget that this is only a part of what is in store for the taxpayer, because we know there are the other measures passed by the Lok Sabha store. There are yet others pending before them, and there may be many more in the conception of the Finance Ministry store. However, I cannot help sympathizing with the Finance Minister in his having to present this finance bill store. In the first place, he had to do it because he was hard pressed to find the money for the sixth five-year plan store. The way in which these proposals were received throughout the country is well known store. I believe, sir, it is true that no budget ever created so much sensation, caused so much anxiety, affected so much the rich and the poor alike, and brought down with such a crash the value of the shares and stocks in the stock exchanges store. The finance minister had to do all this because he was to find the money for the sixth five-year plan store. But if it was that the five-year plan would succeed with this money, I would not have minded it so. But as a layman, I have certain doubts in my mind so. It is true, sir, it is obvious that more taxes bring more revenue to government, while deficit financing leads to a rise in prices and inflationary trends. So, have we taken into consideration what will be the effect of all these measures on the general economy of the country? Question mark. What will be the effect of all these measures on the price index, on food prices and manufactured goods, and what will be the effect of all these measures on the cost of production? Question mark. I think these things must be taken into consideration. Stanza. Sir, no amount of arguments or theories can refute and disprove facts. Stop. The fact remains that as soon as these proposals were out, the price index began to rise, and this fact is in evidence today. So, this rise in the price index is a definite proof that these taxation measures are creating inflation. So, now we know, sir, that argument government themselves had to increase the price of steel, coal and cement store. What will be the effect of this? Question mark. The increase in the price of steel and iron will naturally increase the cost, because all the agricultural implements will cost the farmer more. Full stop. Over.